Hello, everybody, and welcome to my toy assembly stream. And today I'm going to be streaming, and this is actually going to be my last assembly video. Yeah, these streams just aren't working out for me, so I'm just gonna stop doing them after this one and just move on. And I'm gonna try something else, a different kind of video. I'm probably just gonna record myself assembling them and just do a fast forward and do all that on my YouTube channel. But as far as streaming them is concerned, that's gonna be over after this stream. I'm still gonna be streaming on this channel, but I'm probably gonna keep it video game and discussion related. But yeah, I'll see how future streams go, but this kind of streaming is done after this one. So let's just hop to it. Play this in the background. Yeah. And I actually lost one of my archived streams before I had a chance to archive it on YouTube. The alert you're supposed to get telling you how much time you have before it expires wasn't showing up on my account for some reason, so I didn't realize my time was almost up until it was too late. So, for anyone who wants to watch all my archived streams, that one's lost forever, unfortunately. I have to peel this sticker back some. That's better. Now that I have my scanner, I might put more effort into my webcomic. I feel more motivated to do it, but not so much. But I don't feel like I have the time, so I'm probably gonna have to put more time into that. Okay, maybe not that one. Let's try this one. Okay, I think I see how this is supposed to go on. Okay, so we'll get this one next. This one up a bit. Okay, that went on pretty good. Now, the next one. That one didn't go on right. I want to get it off without ripping anything. There. Come on. There we go. That one is on. Pull that off. This one right here. This on. That'll work. No, wrong piece. Wish I had the box to reference, but unfortunately I don't have that to reference. Well, actually I do. I just found it. For a moment, Okay, yeah, I more or less had it right the first time. There. There. Now for the next one. Got that on. Now for this one. There. That works. What's this piece for? I think I know what it's for. No, wrong hand. But I got the right idea. Now for this one. Like that. That works. If anything, you'll tell which one's which side. Split this open. I'll commence stickering him up before I do the rest of it. Looks very weird without the rest of his armor on. Try and get that in much of the middle as possible. There. That's actually much better than I was expecting. Whoa, whoa. Slipped out my hand. There, the gamer driver's all stickered up. These leg parts. This one too. Now I'll do the rest right now. Now I have to sticker this sword here. There. Oh. I'll deal with this one first. Hopefully I can remove the sticker with minimal damage. There we go. Come on. Get off. There. All things considered, that could have been much, much worse. Just remove the that from the back. There. Lay this down carefully. Get Get it in all the right places. There. This one too. That's one sticker sheet down. Can't really use this because I don't have a proper stand for it. Just put that to the side. Just get this on ever so slightly. There. This could have benefited from being broken up into separate parts, this sticker. Oi. Well, that settles that. Goes on like this. There. Straighten it out as best as I can. There we go. Now for the feet part. Then I'll be done with this. This. There. Okay, just done like this. There. There. There we go. Don't. Yeah, that tore a bit, but I was able to recover from it. That is all the stickers. Now I can assemble him. Doesn't look like there's a right or left side for this. Get his feet on. Same with these pieces. Get that on there and that on here. Put this in his hand. This on the back of it. I have to split this open just so I can close it around his hand. That didn't work. Okay. Oh. No, actually, no, the sticker wouldn't have messed. Oh, that sticker messed with stuff. Okay. Should have done it separately. Oh well, too late now. There. Put this on the back. Plug this onto the front. And he is complete. This buff guy is done. Put him off to the back, and forgot to put these parts on him, so I'll do that real quick. I can't try not to accidentally peel off the other stickers. Put that there. There. Yeah, there. Not perfect, but it's good it's good enough. There. There we go. That is on right. Put him back here. Now we shall do the whale jet. Well, just need to do this some. There we go. The whale wings. Get the jet parts out. Come on. Get out there. There we go. Do the jet parts first. Get the build driver sticker. straighten his arm out. Now the face sticker. Okay, come on. Okay, I think I've got it. Just there we go. Straighten the sticker out as best as I can. That works, I guess. There. Here. There. Now this one. That one's peeling the paper underneath. Just, there. There. Now I'll get this one. There. Come on. That'll do. It's right here. And it's on. There. They just straighten it out there. Get this next sticker. this... Ah, I see how it goes. Like that. Now then... Yeah, now the next one. Put this on here. Can't put on the back yet. So instead, I'll work on the next one. Get the base plate sticker here. Getting some alert sounds there. And there. So, whale jet, or jet whale. Now for the face plate for the whale side. Turn. That went on much better than the jet half. Now for the leg pieces. There. Here. There we go. Ah, right here. Okay, I went a little too far down. There. Let's get back on track. There. Back here. This. Just get it on smoothly like this. More or less. There. Now for the rest of the leg. Get this right here. Now for this. There. There. That could have been a lot worse. Now for the whale parts up on the top. Ah, I see. There. That doesn't go on how I thought it would. Unless... Ah, I see how it is. Ah. Put that blue line in the middle of the silver sticker there to blend in with the rest of the figure. There. With that, the whale is done. I'll just slightly put this on because they still need the nail polishing to keep the stickers in place. This part I can just shove all the way in because there are no stickers to worry about on this end. Ha, looks like a runway there. This I can also put on because I don't need it off the body to properly get the nail polish on for. Now, there. There we have jet whale, our whale jet. Oh. It's really the face I need to make sure stays separate. Just put him off to the side there. And last but not least, we have Rose Copter. Excuse me. We'll start with the base plate sticker. Get that on right there. So there's Rose Copter. Now do all the copter stickers. First the build driver. For the face here. Now for this. There it is. There. Okay, there. Got that. There. That right here. Get this here. There we go. Get this down along this way. Oh, kind of bent that. Well, darn. Can't improve upon that any more than that. Just gonna have to live with it. There. Now for this. Okay, get this there. Right here. One more for the leg piece. There. I think I know where these go. Aha, I knew it. It's pulling the same trick as the whale piece. There. Now the other end. Turn it around. There. Went on beautifully. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whacked the camera there. Now for the rose half. No, wrong sticker sheet. Got all that in place. For all the leg stickers. There. Right. There. For here. Lost some paint there, but not too much. It's like this. Haha, that went on nicely. There. Whoa, that tore. So I'm just gonna have to be a little off-centered there. Probably take a red marker to that spot. There. Well, went a little too far down, but I know where this goes. There. And now, no, this one. Place it right there. Get this. This here. Now I can get back to the top stickers. Or the stickers that go on the top of the figure. Just put this right here. There. One more sticker. A rose. Rose by any other name. Did I get something on this? I don't remember anything. Maybe it's paint defect, but whatever the case, this rose goes here. Come on, get in there. Not centered. Let's lift it back up. There. Now I shall assemble this. Thankfully the stickers there won't keep me from assembling most of it fully. This red piece in here. Get this leg and put it right here. Put this face on like that. Take it off a bit so it can come off easier. This can either go in the hand like this, or grab it by the end of the blade. Like, try not to snap it. Come on, get in there. Like that. But for the video, I will put it, the rest of the stream, I'll put it on the back. And it comes with the Hakuto Pandora panel. Put it in its hand like that. Oh, come on, there we go. Put it on this stand. There. And I'll put this in his hand. I'll just stand him back up. I'm gonna kill the music. Well, he just won't stand. Yeah, there. Okay, there. So, just going to kill the music. And that'll be it for me. Center it, and yeah, well, this has been fun. This has been a nice little stream. If you want to see me stream stuff like this again, then please be sure to let me know on my YouTube channel and when I stream other stuff on this channel. But like I said, this isn't my last stream ever, just my last stream doing this. You'll have to let me know if you want streams like these again in the future, but for the time being, these are done. I'll go do a different approach when I record myself stickering up toys like these. And I think that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you'll watch me do some more streams later in the week where I'm gonna pick up another stream series I did, and hopefully start another gaming related stream. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.